Welcome to the World of Wonders channel, where there are stories about the past of our planet and the civilizations that lived in it. Don't forget to press the like button if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel so that you receive everything new. Let's get started.
Welcome to the World of Wonders channel, which talks about the great history of our land. Today we will talk about the giant stone forest located in Madagascar. Why are there not more people talking about this incredible place? Deep in the heart of Madagascar, there's a place unlike any other. Imagine a forest made of giant stone towers, sharp as knives pointing towards the sky. This is the Tsingy de Bemaraha, a special protected place where nature has created a masterpiece out of stone. Tsingy means where you can't walk barefoot, and this dangerous place is definitely not for scaredy cats. Come with us as we explore this amazing world of sharp rocks, hidden canyons, and all the plants and animals that have learned to live in this tough environment. The Tsingy's dramatic landscape wasn't made by volcanoes like you might think. It took a much slower, more complicated process. Millions of years ago, this whole area was underwater. The skeletons of tiny sea creatures piled up over time, forming a huge, flat area of rock called limestone. As the land rose and the water went away, rain started to wear away the rock. The slightly acidic rainwater carved cracks and small openings. Over thousands of years, these cracks became deep canyons, leaving behind tall stone towers, or tsingy, separated by a maze of canyons. The tsingy's unusual shape has created lots of different little environments. At the bottom of the canyons, it's always shady and damp, perfect for plants and animals that like moisture. But up on top of the stone towers, it's hot and dry. Only the toughest plants and animals can survive up there, clinging to the rocks and searching for water. The Tsingy shows us how amazing nature is and how life can find a way even in the hardest places. The Tsingy has always been a mysterious place. For a long time, the Vazimba people who lived there thought it was sacred and forbidden. It was so hard to get into that early humans used it as a hiding place. We can still find their old burial grounds and cave paintings. These clues from the past give us a peek into the lives of the people who lived here long ago, how they felt about the land and how hard it must have been to survive here. Section 5, A Tapestry of Life Biodiversity in the Tsingy. Even though it's a tough place to live, the Tsingy de Bemaraha is full of different kinds of plants and animals. This unique landscape, with its jagged limestone formations, creates a challenging environment that has led to the evolution of some of the most fascinating species on the planet. The Tsingy is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, showcasing how organisms can thrive in even the most inhospitable conditions. Because the sharp rocks make it hard to get around, many of the animals and plants here are found nowhere else on Earth. These limestone pinnacles, known as Tsingy, create a labyrinthine landscape that is both a barrier and a sanctuary. The isolation provided by these natural fortresses has allowed species to evolve in unique ways, leading to a high level of endemism. This means that many of the plants and animals you see here cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Among the spiky plants and hidden caves, you'll find all sorts of amazing creatures. Lemurs, chameleons, and other unique animals have adapted to this vertical world. The lemurs, for instance, have developed strong limbs and agile bodies to navigate the steep rocky terrain. Chameleons, with their remarkable ability to change color, blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them masters of camouflage in this rugged environment. And geckos are just a few of the animals that have learned to live in this vertical world. These geckos have specialized toe pads that allow them to cling to the sheer rock faces, making them expert climbers. The Tsingy is a place where every nook and cranny is teeming with life, each species perfectly adapted to its niche. Birds fly high above the canyons, their keen eyes scanning the landscape for prey. These avian predators have adapted to the open skies and the vast rocky expanses of the Tsingy. Their ability to soar effortlessly above the rugged terrain gives them a unique vantage point, allowing them to spot potential meals from great distances. while down below, rare reptiles and amphibians live in the damp, shady areas. These creatures have found refuge in the cooler, more humid microhabitats created by the deep crevices and shaded grottos of the Tsingy. Here, they can escape the harsh sun and find the moisture they need to survive. The diversity of life in these hidden corners is astounding, with each species playing a vital role in the ecosystem. The Tsingy is a treasure chest of amazing living things, a living laboratory where scientists can study the processes of evolution and adaptation in real time. The unique conditions of the Tsingy provide a natural experiment, offering insights into how life can persist and flourish in the face of adversity. A perfect place to study how animals and plants adapt and change over time. Researchers from around the world come to the Tsingy to observe and document the incredible biodiversity found here. Their work helps us understand the intricate web of life that exists in this unique landscape and underscores the importance of preserving such irreplaceable natural wonders for future generations. Section 6. Guardians of the Stone Forest Conservation Efforts. The future of the Tsingy, like many natural wonders, is in danger. This unique landscape, with its razor-sharp limestone formations and rich biodiversity, faces numerous threats that could alter it forever. The Tsingy de Bemaraha is not just a geological marvel, it is home to countless species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The intricate ecosystem here is delicately balanced, and even small changes can have significant impacts. Cutting down trees for farming and firewood is getting closer and closer to the park. This deforestation not only destroys the habitat of many species, but also disrupts the natural processes that sustain the forest. The encroachment of agricultural activities into protected areas is a growing concern, as it leads to habitat fragmentation and loss of biodiversity. The local communities who rely on these resources for their livelihoods are often caught in a difficult situation, balancing their immediate needs with long-term conservation goals. Changes in the weather, like different amounts of rain, could also hurt this delicate ecosystem. Climate change is causing more frequent and severe weather events, which can lead to flooding, droughts, and other disruptions. These changes can affect the availability of water, the growth of plants, and the behavior of animals, making it harder for the ecosystem to function as it should. The Tsingy is particularly vulnerable to these changes because of its unique geological and ecological characteristics. Because they know how important it is to save this special place, the government of Madagascar and other groups around the world are working to protect it. Conservation efforts include patrolling the park to prevent illegal activities, conducting research to better understand the ecosystem, and implementing policies to reduce human impact. International organizations are also providing support through funding, expertise, and advocacy, helping to raise awareness about the importance of preserving the Tsingy. They're trying to help people use resources wisely, work with the local communities, and teach everyone why the Tsingy is so important. Community-based conservation projects are empowering local people to take an active role in protecting their environment. Environmental education initiatives are raising awareness about the value of the Tsingy and the need for sustainable practices. By involving local communities in conservation efforts, these projects are fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility, ensuring that the Tsingy can be enjoyed by future generations. Section 7. The future of the Tsingy, a shared responsibility. The Tsingy de Bemaraha shows us how amazing nature is and how important it is to protect it. But its future isn't certain. As we admire its beauty, we need to remember that we have to take care of this delicate place. Supporting good tourism, using the land responsibly, and teaching others about the dangers the Tsingy faces are important ways to make sure it's still here for future generations. Section 8. Conclusion, a legacy in stone. The Tsingy de Bemaraha is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Madagascar. Its razor-sharp limestone formations, sculpted by nature, create a labyrinth of stone. This dynamic environment is home to unique plants and animals, showcasing Earth's geological history and biodiversity. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving this natural wonder. Local communities and international organizations work tirelessly to protect the Tsingy de Bemaraha, ensuring its unique ecosystems remain intact for future generations. The Tsingy, carved in stone, stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature. Its intricate formations are like nature's artwork, each detail telling a story of time, pressure and resilience. As the sun sets over the Tsingy de Bemaraha, we are reminded of the fleeting nature of time and the enduring legacy of these stone formations. It is our duty to ensure that such wonders are preserved for future generations.